Today we are going to see the problems based on logarithmic and exponentials. The basic formula for exponential series are e power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial till infinity. Similarly, e power minus x means 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial. That is e power x and e power minus x are both same thing only, but e power x means all positive values. E power minus x means alternate. That is positive and negative values you will be getting. Similarly, log of 1 plus x means x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus till infinity. Log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x means 2 times of x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5, etc. And e power 1 means the same thing in your e power x. If you are replacing x by 1 means you will be getting the value for e power 1. And similarly, e power minus 1 means in this e power minus x, if you are replacing x by minus 1 means you will be getting e power minus 1. So all these things are the basic formulas. With the help of this, we can find the infinity. That is sum of the series till infinity. Here we are going to find the sum to infinity, the series. The series what they have given to you here is 1 plus 2 power 4 by 2 factorial plus 1 3 power 4 by 3 factorial plus 4 power 4 by 4 factorial till infinity. You have to find one finite value for this infinite series. So that is the task for us. Now we are going to see how we are going to solve this problem. First, initially we have to write what it is given here, and then we have to find the nth term of the given series. Nth term of the given so, you have to see your numerator value and also in the denominator value what it is given here. That is in the numerator 1. 1 means we can have it as it is 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 4 power 4. So everything it is in the increasing order. Each are having the same set of difference only. So the 1 can be written as 1 power 4 also. So 1 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 4 power 4 means we can write totally as what means n power 4. Similarly, in the denominator 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial means we can write that denominator value as n factorial. Because if there is nothing in the denominator means it is considered as what means 1. So 1 factorial. So you can write it as what means n factorial. So n power 4 divided by n factorial. N factorial can be written as what means if you are taking n outside, it could be n minus 1 factorial. So if you want to take n minus 1 outside means n minus 2 factorial. So you can write your predecessor's value with your factorial. So that is a property here. So n cube divided by, if you are cancelling one n and n power 4 here means you will be getting n cube divided by n minus 1 factorial. Now let us assume that you have to find the value for this n power 4. N power 3 divided by n minus 1 factorial. That is our nth term. It can be represented as what means Tn. We can assume that n cube can be written as a plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n minus 1 n minus 2 plus d into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3. So this is the assumption. That is how we have to represent our n cube here. So this is a thing we are writing for our n cube. Now we have to find out your unknown values such as a, b, c, d. 4 unknown values we are having. So all these unknown values you have to find it out here. Initially we are taking n equal to 1 and you are substituting it on n equal to 1 on both the side. So this side if you are substituting means you will be getting 1. And this right hand side a plus b into 1 minus 1 0 plus c into 1 minus 1 will become total term 0. D into 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 means 1 on the whole, where and all we are getting n minus 1, that term and all will become 0. So 1 equal to a. So you are getting that a value equal to 1. Similarly, we can see your n equal to 2. You can substitute n equal to 2. How we have to fetch your value means you have to see here. you're having n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. So that values and all we have to substitute for our n. So initially we have substituted n equal to 1. Now we have to substitute n equal to 2 on both the side. So n equal to 2 on both the side means 2 cube equal to a, where and all we are getting n minus 2, that term and all will become 0. So c into this one will become 0 plus d into this one will become 0 since they are all having n minus 2. And a plus b into 2 minus 1 means you will be getting a plus b equal to 8. Already you know the value for your a is nothing but what means 1. So 8 equal to 1 plus b means your b value equal to 7. So the next n value what can we give here is n equal to 3. We can substitute it on both the side. So if you are substituting it on both the side means you will be getting n cube equal to a plus b into 3 minus 1 plus c into c 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 plus here you are having n minus 3 means that term will totally will become 0. So therefore you will be getting 27 equal to a plus 2b plus 2c. And then you already know the value for your a and b. So take those things and substitute in our formulae, that is in our equation, that is 27 equal to a plus 2b plus 2c. So 1 if you know here means 1 plus 2 into 7 plus 2c. So you will be getting that c value equal to what means 6. So all the values you are getting here, a value you got it, p value we got it, and c value you got it. Only one thing we didn't get, what is that constant means d. So what is our highest coefficient for our n? Highest power for our n is n cube. So this side you can equate the value for our n cube, and this side also we can equate the value for our n cube. So this side if you are equating means the coefficient of n cube is 1. This side if you are equating the coefficient of n cube means this side it will become as what means simply d. So if you are multiplying this n into n square, n square into n means n cube. So this side you will be getting the value as what means d. So that's the thing they have given to you here. You have to equate coefficient of n cube on both the side. So one side you are getting n means that side you will be getting the value as what means d. So you have got the value for our a, b, c, d. All those things we have to come and substitute in our n cube first. N cube is nothing but a plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n minus 1 n minus 2 plus there and all you have to substitute your ABCD values. So you'll be getting Tn equal to n cube divided by n minus 1 factorial also. You just go and substitute it here. And then you can divide it that n minus 1 factorial individually. That is 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 into n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 6 into n minus 1 n minus 2 by n minus 1 factorial plus the last term. So if you are writing like that, it will be somewhat comfortable for us to cancel for cancellation. That is already we have seen in the beginning. N minus 1 if you want to take it outside means you take n minus 1 outside and you see what is next to that. That is n minus 2. You can write it as n minus 2 factorial. Similarly, you see your denominator where you should not have any should not have any numerator. Only the number you should have. In such a way you have to write your factorials. Similarly here n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 factorial means you can take outside n minus 1 n minus 2 and then n minus 3 factorial. Then only that numerator and denominator will be getting cancelled. Similarly, n minus 1 factorial, if you are taking n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, you can write the factorial for n minus 4. So all these three terms will be getting cancelled. So altogether what's the thing you will be having here means 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 7 by n minus 2 factorial plus 6 by n minus 3 factorial plus 1 by n minus 4 factorial. So this is the thing we are getting for our Tn. Now you can substitute your summation value for each term. Your n is starting from where to where means 1 to infinity. So here it is n minus 1 means you can start your n value from 1 to infinity. Here it is starting from n minus 2. So you can start our n value from n equal to 2 to infinity. N minus 3 means 3 to infinity, 4 to infinity. Likewise, we can have it. You can assume your denominator value for your n. And then altogether, if you are substituting n equal to 1 means what is the value you will be getting means 1 by 0 factorial, that is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. Likewise, you will be getting, that is, it will be similar to this original problem, that is original formula. You are having that e power 1 means what's the value you are having here? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. So similar to this one, you will be gaining if you are substituting n equal to 0. That is, if you are substituting n equal to 1 to infinity. So totally this value will become e. And then plus 7, you can write it as it is. Here also you will be getting only the value as e. And the third term also the value is e. And fourth term is also the value is only e only. Why we are having here like that? E means you are starting your n value. First value, if you are substituting the first n equal to 2 here, means the first value will become 0 factorial. So 1 by 0 factorial will be getting 1 plus, if you are substituting the next term 3 means 3 minus 1 1, 1 by 1 factorial. So similarly here likewise only we are simplifying all these terms. In such a way we will be getting this value as what means e. So here in case if you are having n minus 4 and if you are starting your n equal to 2 means you won't be getting e and all here. You'll be getting some other terms. So you will, if you are having your starting value for your n and here also the denominator same means you will be definitely getting as what means e only. So place e plus 7e plus 6e plus 1e. So how many e value you are having totally here means 15. So the value for our sum to infinity of the series Tn is nothing but 15e. So this is a type of problem. Now we can see the next type of problem. Find the sum to infinity of the series 1 plus 2 cube divided by 2 factorial plus 3 cube divided by 3 factorial plus 4 cube divided by 4 factorial till infinity. You have given the term like this, and similar to your previous problem, you have to generalize your numerator term. The generalize a numerator term means 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 cube, 2 can be written as 2 cube, 3 can be written as 3 cube, 4 can be written as 4 cube. So all these things we can write it as it is, and then that is the general term is n cube divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial can be written as n factorial. Already we know that if you want to take n outside means the remaining will be n minus 1 factorial, and one n and n cube will be getting cancelled means you will be getting numerator as n square divided by n minus 1 factorial. So your Tn, the nth term of the given series is nothing but this one. You can keep it as equation number 1. Then already we have seen in the previous problem how to assume your n cube value. 4 constants we have had there, and similar to that one here also n square can be written as what means a plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n minus 1 n minus 2. You won't be having any d term at all. So similar to that one, you have to find the value for your a, b, c. So you are having n minus 1, n minus 2 means n minus 1 means you can substitute n equal to 1 on both the side. Both the side if you are substituting n equal to 1 means this side it is 1, this side a plus b into 0 plus c into 0. So you will be getting a equal to 1. Similarly, if you are substituting n equal to 2 here means on both the side you will be getting this side 4 plus a plus b into 1 plus c into 0. So a plus b equal to 4 means 1 plus b equal to 4, b equal to 3. So you have to get your n equal to 2 on both the side means you will be getting b equal to 3. So there is no other n value. We can't substitute any other n value here. For apart for that we can equate the n square on both the side. Both the side if you are equating n square means we will be getting this side as 1 and this side as c, because here this is the only term which is containing n square, because n into n we are having here. So n square. So you will be getting c is equal to 1. And then you have to substitute in your Tn. Tn means n square by n minus 1 factorial, that is a plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n minus 1 n minus 2 by n minus 1 factorial. A means 1, 1 plus 3 into n minus 1 plus c value is 1. So all these things we can write it, that we can substitute it here. And similar to our previous problem 1 by n minus 1 factorial, this n minus 1 factorial if you are taking n minus 1 outside means you will to write it as n minus 2 factorial. Here n minus 1 n minus 2 means n minus 3 factorial. You have to cancel your numerator and denominator. You should not have any n in the numerator. In such a way you have to write our factorial there. So you'll be getting 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 3 by n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by n minus 3 factorial. And then you have to start your value from n equal to 1, because you are having n minus 1 means your n starts from 1 to infinity. N minus 2 means your n starts from 2 to infinity. n minus 3 means n varies from 3 to infinity. Likewise, you have to write it. And all these values by simply we can write this full value is nothing but e, this full value is nothing but e, and this full value is also going to be e only. So e plus 3e plus e means it is going to be 5e. The sum of the terms, the sum of the infinite series is nothing but what means 5e only.